I did $1 million in revenue at 17 selling sneakers. Sold my second company at 21. Now I'm 23 and a venture capitalist investing millions of dollars into the next generation of founders. If you're new here, here's what you need to know. 6 years ago, I started reselling sneakers in high school. Scaled that to 7 figures. Then I built a social media marketing agency and an AI infrastructure company for social media scheduling. After graduating, I turned down a $250K software engineering job to take a $20 an hour VC internship, and people thought I was crazy. Fast forward to today, and I'm an investor at Alumni Ventures, a top 20 venture capital firm in the heart of Manhattan. But here's the thing, I'm not positioning myself as some seasoned VC expert. I'm a founder turned investor who's learning in public. And on this channel, you're getting 4 things. 1, founder lessons from building and selling 2 companies, along with the real mistakes and actual playbooks I use. 2, deal flow insights. I'm talking to hundreds of startups a month. I'll break down what makes me bullish, what makes me pass, and what founders are getting wrong. 3, my VC learning journey. The surprises, the lessons, the stuff I'm figuring out as I go. And the 4th is AI tools and practical value. I built an AI, now I invest in AI, and I'll show you the tools that actually matter. A founder building something, an aspiring VC, or just someone who wants to understand how startups actually work, you're in the right place. I post every single day, and I'm not holding anything back. Hit subscribe if you want to follow along on the journey. My name's Drew, and I'll see you guys in the next one.